Happy days are here, FIIs turn buyers, BJP's victory fuels market optimism. The good news, FIIs were net buyers in yesterday's trade to the tune of Rs. 9,948 crores. Interestingly, FIIs turned net buyers after 38 straight session. Overnight, Wall Street zoomed higher as traders welcomed Donald Trump's announcement of hedge fund manager Scott Bessent as Treasury Secretary. The Dow and S&P 500 both scaled record closing highs. On the global front, all eyes will be on the key US inflation update which will trickle in on Wednesday, 27th November. Meanwhile, looking ahead, this week Wall Street and the US bond markets will be closed on Thursday for Thanksgiving and wrapping up early on Friday. Our call of the day suggests it's likely to be a December to remember as Santa Claus too will look to celebrate BJP-led Mahayuti's strong victory in Maharashtra. BJP's victory Maharashtra's victory shall surely instill greater investors' confidence in the government's ability to push through reforms and continuity in economic policies. The renewed optimism shall lift Nifty towards psychological 25,000 mark with an intermonth perspective. Long story short, happy days are here again. Make hay while the sun shines. Market trends. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's super bullish session, DIIs however turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 6908 crores. Sentiments for the day are likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating massive rebound play. FANO November month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has cooled towards 15.30 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th November, is at 1.03 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th November, is at 1.31. Nifty outlook, value buying and bargain hunting shall continue to be the preferred theme on Dalal Street. Crucial levels, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty, CMP to 4222. Support, 24,150 to 24,100. Resistance, 24,350 to 24,400. Range, 24,100 to 24,400. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 5208. Support, 51,950 to 51,900. Resistance, 52,450 to 52,500. Range, 51,900 to 52,500. Bias, sideways to bullish. Need to know. Yesterday's strong session indicates Dalal Street too is loving BJP's strong and stunning election victory in Maharashtra. We will now spy with one big eye if the FIIs camp who have sold to the tune of Rs. 30,999 crores this November look to cover their shorts. If FIIs look for short covering, then hopefully, Nifty shall close comfortably above the 24,500 mark by this FANO expiry, Thursday, 28th November. Buzzing stocks. 1. HDFC Bank is in limelight post the MSCI, Morgan Stanley Capital International, index rejig due to the much-anticipated increase in its weightage, which was expected to bring in an estimated $1.88 billion of passive inflows. 2. Other stocks expected to bring in flows include Kalyan Jewellers, Alchem Laboratories and Oberoi Realty. 3. Real estate firm Kalpataru Ltd and Unimec Aerospace and Manufacturing Ltd have received SEBI's go-ahead to raise funds through initial public offerings, IPOs. Kalpataru and Unimec Aerospace are aiming to raise 1,590 crore rupees and 500 crore rupees, respectively, through their initial share sale offers.